We are making Little Debbie Be My Valentine cake pops. So if you want a fast, easy Valentine cake pop treat, this is the video for you. Hello there everyone and welcome back. My name is Lisa and today we are trying the Little Debbie cake pop hack. We're gonna see if it's as easy and delicious as I heard all over the internet at Christmas when it was the Christmas tree cakes turned into cake pops. Like I said, these cake pops were all over the internet at Christmas with the trees. So we're going to try them with the Valentine hearts. I'm sure they will be just fine and work just as well. So I have sprinkles that we're going to decorate with. I bought some Wilton candy melts in red and pink. I watched these videos all winter long of people making these cake pops, so I'm excited to try this. It looks super easy. Let me know in the comments below if you have made cake pops using Little Debbie cakes. I'm going to start with one package of the Little Debbies. Some recipes showed it with using the mixer, and then some showed it doing it by hand like this.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Never mind the Christmas. Man down, man down.
The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're...
That looks like that is going to form a cake ball really well. So we're just gonna leave it as is like that. Here's my little hack for you on making cake balls. Use a cookie scoop. This will ensure that they're all uniform. You scoop it and then roll the ball. So much easier that way.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
Once you have your cake pops all rolled into balls, we're gonna stick them in the freezer and let them chill and harden up.
Oh, you know.
I left my cake pops in the deep freeze about 45 minutes and they were nice and hard at that point. So I'm going to start melting my chocolate. I'm putting the melting wafers in a microwave safe glass. I chose to use a mug because it's deeper and you can dip all the way down into the chocolate once you put your cake pops on the lollipop stick. You'll heat it up for 30 seconds, stir it, and then heat for an additional 15 seconds. Stir it another 15 seconds until all of your wafers are smooth and melted. Be careful not to overheat your chocolate. To make a swirl design on your chocolate coating, you'll take the darkest color of melting wafers and you'll kind of drizzle it back and forth on the surface of your lighter melted chocolate. Then you'll coat your stick with a little bit of chocolate before pressing it into your semi-frozen cake ball.
You're beautiful and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't
You want to dip straight down into the chocolate and then swirl and swirl as you're bringing it up out of the chocolate. And then you can either twirl it to get the excess chocolate off of your cake ball or just let it drip there. Then you will want to sprinkle it with any sprinkles or decorations while the chocolate is still wet so that they stick and adhere to your cake ball. Put them in a block of foam, or I have this handy cake ball stand, and then let them dry and set up. Keep repeating that process until all of your cake balls are dipped and coated and decorated. If your chocolate starts to get thick, pop it back in the microwave on 15-second intervals, stirring in between to make sure that it is smooth and dippable. The more cake balls that you dip, you will lose your contrasting colors. So just drizzle more of your red melting chocolate on top of your pink and then keep dipping.
You know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
So what do you think? Was that easy or what? That was the easiest cake pop I have ever made. And they turned out so pretty. You can dip them and decorate them so many different ways. I'm sure my family is going to devour these. Thank you all so much for being here today and watching. I appreciate it so much. And I really love it when y'all subscribe and come back for the next video. Y'all are like family to me and I enjoy it every time I see you down in the comments. So leave me one below and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.